Hi, Matt here with Capell Flooring. Welcome to another edition of What's in the Box. So what I do is, it's always Christmas here at Capell Flooring. I get new samples all the time from our manufacturers and mills. We thought it might be fun to open them up on the spot and talk about them. So that's what we're gonna do today. So this is from DH Floors, which was formerly known as Dixie Group. And they usually have fun stuff. So if we look here, this is called Mindful. So I'm seeing kind of a theme from the last Dixie one that we opened up. But yeah, this looks like it has a little bit of a pattern. Again, this is what they call LCL, loop cut loop. So you have some loops and then some cut fibers there that create a pattern. This color is pretty. It's kind of a great color. So Mindful is made out of solution dyed polyester. So we like solution dyed polyester here. And it does have a small pattern repeat. So it's a little bit less than an inch by an inch. So basically what that means is just every time you need to do a seam, you gotta add that amount to be able to seam it. Lower profile carpets like this are harder to seam than other carpets. But looking at this one, it looks nice because it has a pattern going across like that, plus vertical. Looks like this one would probably seam up better than most like that. But it's just something to be aware of. If you're at a flooring store and you really like these LCL carpets, it's important to realize that they're more apt to show a seam than other types of carpet that are thicker. But one thing that I like about DH Floors or Dixie is that usually they have fun colors, or they're a little bit bolder. That blue is really pretty. So looking at the names of these, sometimes they have fun names. Looks like these kind of are nature things like maple and cobblestone, nautical. Just things that occur in nature, so that's fun. So yeah, Mindful. I think this carpet would work really well on stairs, offices, and a lot of people are actually choosing to run this carpet throughout the whole house nowadays, which is nice. But yeah, these colors look nice. So that's the box that came today. So it's called Mindful from DH Floors. Also, this is soft. I know you can't feel that through the camera, but it does look nice. It's nice and soft. So, like always, we appreciate you taking a moment out of your busy day to watch. And if you have any comments or suggestions or things of that nature, feel free to share below and I'll respond to your question. We appreciate it and have a wonderful day.